Look at how slow this is being. Here and welcome back to another video. In this video, I am joined by ECLIPSEPANDA Animal Jam. Her link to her channel will be down in the description. Today we are gonna be going to a fashion show. So yeah, let's go. Fashion shows. So we're gonna go to a school role play and do some intense role playing. Okay, let's get some. We'll get bullied, but whatever. Bye, guys. We are in the den. We got some.
It's just taking so long for me because so many people have a bunch of Wi-Fi on. It's just so annoying.
Yeah, but we are in the den right now, and we are going to be looking at these intense role players.
Oh my god, I finally logged in.
Let's see some intense role playage.
I'm coming.
Eats Cheetos.
Ooh. I always friend the person.
Is sad. Yes. Yes. We are sad. We need to find a dorm.
Hold on, what is happening here? Hold on.
I need a dorm.
Let's share a dorm together if we can find one.
There's none open.
There's no dorms open, great.
We'll just have to sleep out in the cold then. Oh, never mind.
We could sleep in the paint.
Let's do that. We'll sleep in the paint. You gotta talk loudly.
We'll sleep in the paint, because why not?
You know what? I'm gonna sleep on the desk.
I'm sleeping in the paint.
Me too. Let's do that.
I always want cookies from the cat. What?
I'm sorry, guys. So we are really sad right now. We are crying. We've got them tears. We are so sad. Okay, so we need to go find some intense role playage.
What is this intense?
We need to find let's go. Come on, let's go.
The den. We need to start the intense.
Where do you buy elf bracelets? Hold on, guys. I'm just gonna gift this person really quickly, so I'll be right back. We are gonna go get some Coca-Cola.
So pretty much what I'm going to do is go into here and I'm gonna say get out of my dorm.
Okay, I'm gonna find something.
I am going to start the intense. Like get out of my dorm.
I want pop. Give me pop. Okay, let's have a donut. Okay, I got a donut. Oh, hold on.
No, I was here first.
Get donut. Ooh, I have to go watch this. Where's the one? Where's the...
I was here first.
Guys, so that's my sister. She's like attacking the bed. I don't know. Friend me. Oh. Okay. A black long collar, and you still don't have elf bracelets. Just say what you need to say. Yeah. Well, let's go find a den. Let's go sit in this empty den. Hits wall. I hit the wall. I found an empty dorm, by the way.
I need to come here before anyone. Oh my god! Clicked on this stupid Jamal journal. I'm coming before anyone. That's my bead, but okay.
Nah.
You know what?
Mine now. Mine now, bro. You can't take my bed. Anyway, you can't take mine. Just go die in a... No, don't do that. Go play Minecraft with your brother, okay? Don't go do that, please. Okay. Out. I'm gonna be on the other one then.
Out hits. That's what I can say. Out high. No, it's our dorm.
It's our dorm. Nah.
Nah, we were here before you.
Okay, so I am trash now, guys. We gotta go. I came to role play to the. Okay.
No, we came to roleplay.
Okay, let's go see what this person's saying. They're saying they're trash, but they're not trash.
He grabs me by my neck.
Oh my god. He needs some milk. That's a dead meme, but whatever. Yeah. This is not much of a role play. Let's go find somewhere else to role play, okay? This is the worst role play ever.
Guys, so now my character is hurting because they threw me.
Yeah, that's not good. So guys, what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be finding a different role play because that role play kind of sucked.
They kept stealing our dorms.
Besides, it was too small. We need to find a different role play.
Yeah, we need to find a big den.
Got me gold ring. Gift me an HD. I'm poor. Huh? Okay. Let's go. Okay, this is.
There's no, just leave the room and come back.
Yeah, there's nobody. No role plays, I guess. Let's go find somewhere else to find a role play. Let's go. Role. Oh, I'm adopting. I need a dog and some kids. No, fridge. Guys, I left, but there was somebody adopting, and they needed a dog and a kids. I need to come to their den. Come on, I'm gonna go to their den. Then they're adopting, so let's be their baby, okay?
I'm gonna come with you.
So
Don't
we'll be
you
right
dare
back.
go. As soon as we got in there, they locked us out. So
Yeah, I guess that's gonna have to be the end of this video. Hopefully we'll make more of these in the future, but yeah, expect more of those. So that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and maybe leave a comment down below. Bye, Jammers.